Right now, as you sit here listening to me, billions of invisible conversations are happening all around us. Data is flying through the air, racing through the cables, buried beneath our feet, and traveling across ocean floors nearly at the speed of light. We call this phenomena the internet. Most of us use it 100 times a day without ever stopping to think about the engineering miracle that made it possible. Today, I want to take you on a journey that happens in milliseconds every time. You send a text, you watch a video, or either you click a link. So let's start with something simple. Imagine you want to watch a cat video because they are the most dramatic. You open your browser, type in a website, press enter. In that moment, without realizing, you have set in motion one of the most complex chain reactions in modern technology. It just knows something called cat videos. So the internet doesn't know what is cat videos. Your browser doesn't know what is catvideos.com. So, like everyone who's lost, it asks for help. Your computer has something called a DNS service. Imagine a DNS system as an internet phone book, except instead of the name, you have the website, and instead of numbers, you have IP addresses. So when you type in funnycats.com, it goes and looks up in the book and feels, hey, I have this name here as a website. Where do I go now to get this data? And the website points to an IP address, and it's a unique address where the website actually lives. So this is where now the magic happens. So now it has the IP address. Once your computer gets this IP address, it requests the cat video, but not in a piece. It requests the request goes out as multiple pieces. It gets broken down into tiny packets and then it's thrown into the internet. This information contains two critical addresses. These tiny packets has two addresses, the source and the destination, where it came from and where it's going. Once it is thrown into the internet, it starts searching for the source address similar to a traffic signal. So it hops multiple times through routers. Some travel through cables, some travel throughout the country, to different continents to get back the information that you requested. So many of these infrastructure lies under ocean floor through fiber optics. The fiber optics connection is like a global nervous system that we have. So these requests are thrown and comes back the source address like a jigsaw puzzle. And your computer again gets all these jigsaw puzzles and reorders them and gives you your cat video. And this is what blows my mind. This isn't happening just for your cat videos. This is happening simultaneously for all the requests that we have, all the requests that you send, everyone around you sends over processing over a billions of requests within a seconds. This is not temporal. The internet isn't one thing. It's not owned by anyone. It's not owned by a company. It's not owned by a government. It's not controlled by anyone. The internet works because thousands of engineers dedicated to build something bigger than one nation. The thousands of engineers dedicated to build more than them, more than one company, building something bigger than themselves. They built a system that survives wars, that survives natural disasters, and even when someone spilled a coffee on the server, the internet still works. It is not magic, it is better than magic. It is human ingenuity at its finest. Thank you.